Safing. Can I get it back? Can you see it?
No. Oh. Okay.
G'day, Stu from UAVfutures out here in the field. Something a little bit different because yesterday I did my review of the T12 or I uploaded it. That's where we went through, we talked about it. You can't watch that video anymore. I deleted it and I've got to apologize to Jumper and to you guys because there was some misinformation in that video. UAVfutures is all about you providing the right information for you guys to make the right choices. And in that video, the reason it's deleted is because I said some things that were not correct. And it's not about being right all the time. It's just giving you the correct information. So we're back out here in the field doing it again. If you do want to see that review, I'm going to put an unlisted link that should pop up here. That's the only way you can go watch it because I don't want people to be searching for this radio and come across that. So if you want to watch that, that's going to be like an unlisted one. You can go watch that, but we're back out here in the field. First things first, first mistake I made, they do have the licensing correct. They can use the OpenTX. There were just some things they had to change, I guess. A long story, but yes, they can use OpenTX when I said they couldn't. And also, number two, when I did my range test, we used some AA batteries, and so many people in the comments when I woke up and I read them this morning were like, Stuart, try it with a LiPo. It works so much better. You're the only person with range issues. So that's what we're out here doing again today. We're going to do, I guess, our part 2 review and try and see, does it go any better with a LiPo in here instead of those AA batteries. So let's do it. Put a quad on here. Sorry about the OpenTX debacle. That was definitely, I was wrong. I made a mistake. Let's see how it goes with the range test with the LiPo. Alrighty. Rightio, so I got my LiPo plugged in the bottom. Let's do it. If we get past the chimney this time, we're probably going to be going better than the other time. So we'll fly it out and see, does it make any sort of difference? Fingers crossed. Turn my goggles on. Oh, I better plug them in. That might help. So everything is the same as last time. I've just changed the battery in here. Alright, so it's probably gone further already. Yeah, it is. Oh, actually, no, I'm fail-safing. Can I get it back? Can you see it?
No. Oh. Okay. Fuck,
I heard that.
Jesus. What happened, Stu?
We crashed into this abandoned building, so I don't know if we've just lost our drone, but let's go find out.
It landed on the roof, it bounced off. It's just over here.
Which side did it come off?
This side. I couldn't even see it. It's down here somewhere.
Oh.
No, it's around here.
It's just here.
Well, it ain't going to fly again.
Well, yep, something is busted. I don't know what that was. That large didn't like that impact whatsoever. But when I was flying up, sort of this very similar thing. It got like a brownout. I was getting in and out of reception or whatnot, and then bang onto the roof. So for me, I'm not having very much luck with it. I know a lot of people out there did. Trying a LiPo in the back, still getting very, very similar results. It's not on low milliwatts or anything like that. I've checked all that. The antennas are correct. But yeah, still got some brownouts. So I don't know, I was really hoping that would fix it. All right, take 3. In the name of science, what we're gonna do. So obviously something went wrong with that last one. Now, whether that could be the radio or it could be the quad, because they're the two constant in them. So what we're gonna do this time, I've bound it up, I've got it on a Sabotage RC drone. That other drone worked well, it has worked well for a long time, but look, maybe something's wrong. Now we're gonna test it on this little, what is it? Might be the Bang Ring, whatever it is, I'll link this down below. That's not the point. It's on another drone, we've bound it up to another receiver. We're gonna fly it, see if we get the same range issues, and then we can sort of make a better decision on this radio. All right, take 3. All right, you ready, Trevor?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I don't want to lose this one. That's what I'm a little bit worried about. I'll make sure we're going to go behind here. We'll see. I'll let you know where it is. And I'll keep a mental note too of where I'm going. So before we could fly out to the end of the field. That was fine. We did that on the last one. So we're way out there near the very end of the oval. But then coming back, let's see, I'm going behind the building now, still just keeping it low. No dropouts there. Don't know if that was a brownout or not. Give it a little bit of it. Can you see it?
Yep.
I'm going to give it a punch, alright?
Okay.
Okay, now coming back behind the building. That all seems fine. Alright. Oh, I've like, nah, that just browned out. So I know where it is. It's heading towards pretty much that far corner.
Yeah, you're behind the building, I think, aren't you?
No, way out, just out here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So yeah, just brown out, just nothing. Still had clear video, crystal clear video, and then just into the grass. But let's go get it. I'm pretty much at the back corner.
Oh. Well, that's annoying.
We should, I reckon.
You can't get much better than that. That's,
How about we walk along the road rather than all through all this grass and then just cut in a straight line? What do you
yeah, that far over in there, eh?
Yeah, I'm like pretty much the back corner.
Oh, that back corner.
Yeah, where did you think?
Well, I'd seen it disappear. I thought you were coming back.
No, I'm up in this. Hang on, do you want to film? So where I am, I'm up towards the end of this sort of field over there. Oh, I really don't like this. So there's probably a lot of snakes in here. Alright, so there's Trevor over there. Got the drone, but yeah, we sort of fail-safed around this place. Anyway, what do you guys think? You know, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you like these follow-up videos? Could you not care less? Hopefully there's some information for you to continue making those decisions. Sorry about that information about the open licensing, all that sort of stuff. My mistake, absolutely. On that, subscribe for more FPV related content. I don't know if they're going to be too happy with this follow-up. I was really hoping it would be good to showcase some things I did wrong and that the radio was getting it right, because I know a lot of people like these, but looks like I'm not having much success. Anyway, happy flying.